Have you ever wondered why some people seem to eat whatever they want and never gain weight, while others struggle with every bite? The answer often lies in metabolism. We hear the term all the time, but what is it, really? And more importantly, can we do anything to control it? The truth is, while genetics play a part, there are several natural ways to speed up your metabolism and optimize your body's ability to burn calories. If you're looking to boost your metabolism without resorting to fad diets or expensive supplements, read on. The solution might be simpler than you think. What is metabolism? At its core, metabolism refers to the chemical processes that take place in your body to maintain life. These processes convert the food you eat into energy, which your body uses for everything from breathing and circulating blood to physical activity and building muscle. There are two primary components: catabolism, which breaks down molecules to release energy, and anabolism, which uses energy to build and repair cells. Simply put, metabolism is the engine that keeps your body running. Understanding how it works is key to learning how to naturally speed it up. Basal metabolic rate. Your basal metabolic rate is the number of calories your body needs to perform basic life-sustaining functions, such as breathing, circulating blood, and maintaining body temperature. Essentially, it's the energy your body uses at rest. BMR accounts for the majority of your daily calorie burn, making it a key factor in weight management. Factors like age, muscle mass, genetics, and gender influence your BMR. While you can't control all of these factors, increasing your muscle mass through strength training and staying active can boost your BMR, helping you burn more calories even when you're not exercising. Why strength training matters. Strength training plays a crucial role in boosting your metabolism because it helps build and maintain muscle mass. Muscle tissue burns more calories than fat tissue, even at rest, meaning the more muscle you have, the higher your basal metabolic rate becomes. By incorporating strength training into your routine, such as lifting weights or doing body weight exercises like squats and push-ups, you increase muscle mass, which in turn enhances your calorie burning potential. Additionally, strength training helps prevent muscle loss that naturally occurs with age, ensuring your metabolism stays active and efficient. Eating for energy. This is all about fueling your body with the right nutrients that keep you energized throughout the day. Foods rich in complex carbohydrates, like whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, provide a steady release of glucose, which your body uses as a primary energy source. Pairing these with lean proteins and healthy fats helps sustain energy levels longer and supports muscle function. Avoiding sugary snacks and processed foods is crucial, as they lead to quick spikes in energy followed by crashes, leaving you feeling sluggish. Hydration is also key. Water plays a vital role in keeping your cells functioning properly. For optimal energy, focus on balanced meals that provide a variety of vitamins and minerals, such as B vitamins, iron, and magnesium, which are essential for energy production. By making mindful food choices, you can enhance your stamina, mental clarity, and overall vitality throughout the day. Stay hydrated. Staying properly hydrated is essential for keeping your metabolism running smoothly. Water plays a key role in the body's ability to burn calories efficiently. Even mild dehydration can slow down your metabolic rate, making it harder for your body to break down fat and convert food into energy. Drinking enough water helps your body maintain optimal digestion, aids in nutrient absorption, and promotes fat oxidation. Studies have shown that drinking cold water can even give your metabolism a temporary boost as your body works to warm it up. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day to support a faster and more efficient metabolism. Don't skim on sleep. Sleep is often overlooked, but it's one of the most important factors for maintaining overall health and well-being. Skimping on sleep can have serious consequences, from impaired cognitive function to weakened immune systems. Studies show that consistently getting less than 7 to 8 hours of sleep can lead to long-term health problems like heart disease, diabetes, and even mental health issues such as anxiety and depression. Lack of sleep also affects productivity, concentration, and decision-making abilities, making daily tasks more challenging. On the other hand, quality sleep enhances memory, mood, and physical performance, ensuring you wake up refreshed and ready to tackle the day. Sleep is essential for body repair and hormone regulation, and it even helps in maintaining a healthy weight. Prioritizing sleep is not a luxury but a necessity. Developing good sleep habits, like creating a bedtime routine, reducing screen time before bed, and managing stress, can significantly improve your sleep quality. So don't skimp on sleep, your body and mind will thank you. Spice it up. Spices do more than just add flavor to your food. They can transform a simple dish into a vibrant, health-boosting meal. From the warmth of cinnamon to the heat of chili peppers, spices have been used for centuries not only to enhance taste, but also for their medicinal properties. Turmeric, for instance, is packed with curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory agent, while ginger aids digestion and fights nausea. Adding a bit of spice to your meals can also rev up your metabolism, with cayenne pepper being a popular choice for boosting calorie burn. Even everyday spices like garlic and black pepper come with their own set of health benefits, such as improving heart health and aiding nutrient absorption. Experimenting with spices can make healthy eating more enjoyable, helping you reduce the need for added salt, sugar, or unhealthy fats. So, next time you're cooking, spice it up. Your taste buds and body will thank you for the flavor and health benefits that come with each sprinkle. Move more throughout the day. Incorporating more movement into your daily routine is a simple yet powerful way to boost your metabolism. While regular exercise is essential, it's also important to stay active throughout the day. This is known as non-exercise activity thermogenesis, which includes all the small movements we make, such as walking, standing, fidgeting, or even taking the stairs instead of the elevator. NEAT can account for a significant portion of your daily energy expenditure, and the more you move, the more calories your body burns. Small actions like standing up while working, taking short walks during breaks, or doing household chores can add up, helping to keep your metabolism revved up throughout the day. By making a conscious effort to move more, you'll burn more calories and maintain a healthier metabolism. Manage stress. Stress is often an overlooked factor in metabolic health, but its effects can be significant. When you're under chronic stress, your body releases higher levels of cortisol, a hormone that helps manage stress, but also slows down your metabolism when it remains elevated for too long. Elevated cortisol levels signal your body to conserve energy and store fat, particularly around the abdominal area. This can lead to weight gain and hinder your ability to burn calories efficiently. To combat this, it's essential to manage stress through mindfulness practices like yoga, meditation, deep breathing, or even regular exercise. These activities help lower cortisol levels, allowing your metabolism to function at its best. By keeping stress in check, you'll not only feel more relaxed, but also support your body's ability to burn fat and maintain a healthy weight. Get plenty of protein. Incorporating more protein into your diet is another effective way to naturally boost your metabolism. Protein has a higher thermic effect than fats and carbohydrates, meaning your body burns more calories digesting and processing it. Eating protein-rich foods like lean meats, fish, eggs, beans, and nuts not only helps with muscle repair and growth, but also keeps you feeling fuller for longer. This can reduce cravings and prevent overeating, supporting weight management and metabolic efficiency. Furthermore, protein is crucial for maintaining muscle mass, especially as you age, which in turn keeps your metabolism running at a higher rate. By including a good source of protein in every meal, you can ensure your body has the nutrients it needs to stay energized and burn calories effectively. That's a wrap for today's video. If you found this video on speeding up your metabolism naturally helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comments how you're planning to boost your metabolism. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.